Alrighty dudesons, I got the wheel horse back together and ready to go. Took it to Ohio, got it locked, that all worked out right. Creepy crawler, he's a super nice guy. He was a really cool person to hang out with. Really smart, like he knows a lot about his engines and how to run a wheel horse for years. Good little tips on that. Welded everything up, super great shop, great place. It was just all around fun time. Yeah, he welded it up for me. Came home, put it all back together. I forgot all about recording putting it back together. I think I took some pictures, but that ain't really gonna do much. But pretty much I just put the differential back in, took out the old needle bearings, put me some bronze bushings in instead of needle bearings. Everything fits snug. Stage 1 kit, got it put on. It's all 2-inch. Then my air filter up there. Came with a little build your own pipe ordeal here. So I tried it out a little bit down in the play area, down in the mud. Honestly thinking that it's 10 times better than it was before. But I'm gonna go play around a little bit more and see what I think about it. Okay, so I got it off the ground enough to slide the tire back on the hub right, or slop it out. Retired the rock idea and went with this really sketchy idea. It ain't no biggie. As long as it ain't falling on nobody or I ain't laying under it, I'm okay. Very nice. Great. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit that I got today. Wasn't nothing crazy, but it's something at least, So I bypassed the governor on this, but I didn't delete the governor. Like, I didn't take the governor off. I still left it on. I don't know if you'll be able to get in there, but right there I put a zip tie. I cut one end of a zip tie off and zip tied that spring tight. So when you give it gas with the actual throttle, it pulls the governor too. But I still have my little set screw set, so it's not 100% wide open, but it's still plenty to take you.
Well, I was born at a party in a barn. with a guitar strapped across my arm. So I learned to play in a different style. Everybody knows that I'm hog wild. Well, I pick it high and I pick it low. Pick it with my teeth and pick it with my toe. You can hear me play for a country mile. Everybody knows that I'm hog wild. Yeah, everybody knows that I'm hog wild. Too long, me and them city folks couldn't get along. My mama said you're a destined child. They all know you was born hog wild. So I traveled all over this land, and I found myself a backwoods band. You can hear us play for a country mile. Everybody knows that we're hog wild. Yeah, everybody knows that we're hog wild.